Tired of your ice machine taking up too much space on your countertop? Ecozy has fixed that with their newest design. Let's take a look. Welcome back to That Bourbon Dude. My name's Charles. Today we're looking at the newest addition to the Ecozy ice machine ecosystem. This is a kind of a smaller version of the original that I showed you guys a few months ago. And let me tell you what, it is like 70% smaller than the original. And I'll show you a picture of it up here and you can take a look. It is so small compared to my Instapot. And the other one, I love it. It's great. It does exactly what it's supposed to do, but it takes up too much real estate on my counter. And this one fixes exactly that. And the new upgraded model, 2.1 inch ice spheres. I love it. I absolutely love this. And because Ecozy sent this out for testing, and you guys know that I am notorious about taking a very long time testing stuff, I have put this thing through the ringer for weeks, making sure it lives up to the standard that I expect of any products that I feature on this channel. And let me tell you what, it did exactly that. Let's talk about a couple of the key points. Just like the original model, it uses the CrystalFlux technology and it injects the water into the mold. And by the way, the best water that you need to use is either going to be a boiled water or a filtered water. My personal preference is just distilled water because it doesn't have all the minerals in it. And it makes the ice a little bit more clear without those minerals in it, keeping it a little cloudy. So it definitely does exactly what it's supposed to with that, keeping beautiful crystal clear water going in and with the spheres coming out. I love it. Let me show you guys how simple and easy it is to fill this one up. As before, you had to put it in a very special way. Well, this straight through the top, through the little flap, in you go, water in, simple enough, right? And then all you got to do, hit the button on the front and it does it automatically. As you can see here, the digital screen looks like it's flashing, but that's because of my shutter speed on my camera. But you have a digital countdown. It starts out at 30 minutes and counts down to 0 when the ice cubes drop. And then when they drop, you'll notice that there's a small hole in the bottom of them, and that's where the injection system for this CrystalFlux technology injects the water into the mold, and then it pushes the ice sphere out into the tray. So it's perfect for like a single guy or just a little small home bar. Probably don't want it if you're going to be, serving a bunch of cocktails and a bunch of drinks on ice. You want the original model, which I'll leave linked down below because that one is a spectacular product. Absolutely is killing it. We have it here at our home bar. Works fantastic when we have large groups, but you don't always have large groups and you might not have the space for that one. That's where this one comes in clutch. Ladies and gentlemen, it is one of probably the easiest units I've ever seen. Ecozy has dominated the market on ease of use. They've always been really good at doing that, and this is no exception. This absolutely makes it phenomenally easy. Literally, put the water in, hit the start button, and let her run. And then, as normal, they provide you with the tongs to pick it up. They have a quick start guide, the regular user manual, and some stickers for the kiddies. And then my personal favorite thing, a meter to test your water to make sure it's as pure as it needs to be. That is a special touch that I love about Ecozy and what they do. Now, let me show you guys this. This is the final product here, and I'm pairing this up with some whiskey. And let me tell you what. Now, many of the ice machines that you get, the ice melts incredibly quickly. Not with this one. Incredibly hard ice, crystal clear, phenomenal. In the cup it goes. Drop some whiskey on top of it, and it's ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, you will be completely satisfied with how this machine performs. 100% flawless. I personally am very thankful that I had the opportunity to review this. Ecozy sent this out to me for review, and it took me a while to get this done because, as I said before, I make sure that these products work. I put in the time to make sure that they're not going to crap out on us, and this one delivered 100%. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your attention today. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments. Links are in the description as well. We're going to see if we can get you guys a discount code as well, and we'll see you guys on the next one.